Guten Tag und konnichiwa, ich bin Avantika and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to do an unboxing which I think was a clickbait because I had already opened my iPad. Actually I hadn't. It was my sister who did. It was her idea to take the iPad without the box. Basically she bought it from Dubai. I don't know the whole airport drama, so let's just keep it away. But I'm really sorry for the clickbait. What we can do is short tour, giving you a very crisp review of how I use my iPad, and also if you're a type of person who's thinking to buy an iPad, just like I did few years ago, there must be few questions in your mind, as well as one of the biggest reasons, like why you should buy an iPad. So here are 10 ways to use an iPad. So you can see my dog circles and which was also the reason why I was absent from YouTube for so many days. But anyway, here we go. So this is my iPad. Sorry for this annoying intro, but I'm very thankful for my sister who gifted me this, as well as my mom. Don't see my password. And here we go. The first point is, if you are a creative individual like me who loves to illustrate and make graphics and stuff, then it's a must for you, because comparing with other tablets such as Huon or maybe other pen tablets, it's much faster and even user friendly. I personally use Procreate a lot, and recently I also got a paid assignment for it. If you follow me on IG, you might be knowing that. And here's some ways I am planning to use it further, like making planners or maybe stickers and other things. I have actually made a separate video designing my planner and a calendar for 2023, so I might show you that in my next video. Hopefully sooner I'll upload it. Speaking of stickers, the app I use is called Procreate. It was around 900 bucks. According to me, really expensive, but it's a good alternative for that. It's called Adobe Fresco. But if you ask me why Procreate is much better, because it's multifunctional. You can absolutely do anything with it. Make minimal illustrations, line art, or maybe logos. I recently designed mine for my brand called Kunskriti. I'll let you know in the next video. Second point is having a diary. I used to own a lot of diaries, and I think I might not have shown those in my videos, but it's a really essential part of my life as well as my day. And I'm doing the same in the iPad. I have digitalized everything, and I'll be writing my tiny day-to-day moments or important things which I often forget, but that's just my reason. But if you are a student, what you can do is make a planner according to the goals you want to achieve. For example, I am studying German right now, so to clear my levels, there are certain grammar and stuff, so I'll put them in a box and make like a to-do list, which I used to make in my paper journal as well. And jumping on a third point, which is writing notes. So taking notes on iPad is really easy. You will feel like you are writing with a pen and a paper. Also, I don't own a Apple Pencil. The reasons were quite simple, because I didn't want to waste my 7,000 on a pencil when I can get a stylus for palm rejection just for 1,500 or even less. Speaking of styluses, this stylus is what I got from Amazon with my Apple iPad cover, and they costed around 500. I do write notes with this pen, and so far the stylus is actually working fine, but There are few cons of it, like having no palm rejection, so that's a problem. I have the same grammar notebook for Japanese as well, but so far I'm not sure if I'll use this notebook or not. I also use my iPad as a book. You can download a specific book from internet and then you can upload it on the books app in the device, and it's quite effortless. You can copy, highlight, save, or make short notes on it, so it's fabulous. I'm not the biggest gaming fan, but gaming experience on iPad is good. I played FIFA on it and other stuff, but as much as I enjoyed it, I also find it time consuming. So yeah, I uninstalled it. But you can obviously download them. It's good to have a stress busting activity or gaming. Another thing which I liked about having an iPad is how easily I can make content, and I like to organize my content in a way that I can access them later on. For that, you can see here Linktree. I use Google Drive, iCloud, and there are few apps to organize and schedule your content. Another point is that I can read flawlessly again, and since I'm a language learner, it's very important for me to have like a parallel translation tool to read my chapters and reading materials. From a phone or a laptop, it's quite hectic. Another point is that you can absolutely practice your scripts if you are a learner of Japanese, Hebrew, Thai, Mandarin, or Korean. Now the sixth or seventh point, which is using iPad's camera for interview calls or Skype or even teaching. So for those of you who don't know, that I am also a language coach, and so far this camera is doing really well, even better than my laptop. I'm also planning to use my iPad to create a podcast or a short course on German, which will be accessible to you all, I think, in late 2023, and will be in your budget so that each and everybody can afford it. Another important point for me was doing video editing, and it was quite hard for me to edit on my laptop because it's quite heavier in size, and I don't think so I've shown you guys, so I'll just insert it somewhere on the screen. It's called HP Pavilion, and it's a gaming laptop. So not only I can't carry it around, it's also a pain in the beep beep. But on the iPad, it's not hectic. Plus the size is decent, and as you all know, till now I have edited on my mobile phone, which is Mi Note 7 Pro, and it's not like up to the mark. I would say it's in a bad condition, but I have managed to make few videos on it. But since my eyesight is really weak, it was getting really troublesome for me to work with the mobile phone. I also used to write my class notes on the mobile screen by typing, and it's quite difficult actually. I also manage my small business from the same device. And now let's talk about the price. So it costed around 23,000, and with apps and accessories around 1400. So not 1400, 1900. So around 24,900 rupees. So guys, that was the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, fingers crossed this iPad may be lucky for me, and I would get extra love from you all. So yeah, like, share and subscribe.